Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how to generate AI photos using Remini. Remini is an AI photo enhancer that has both free and paid uses. You can generate as many pictures as you want in the Pro version. With Remini, you can generate AI pictures with your face. This will make your appearance much better. And I'm sure you're going to love these Remini AI features. So first, download the app from the Google Play Store. Next, install and launch it. Tap on AI Photos and pick any image. Using the image you selected, upload 8 selfies of yours. And finally, your AI photos will be generated between 5 and 7 minutes later. It is a photo enhancer and AI image generator. The app already has different images that you can select. Once you upload your 8 selfies, your face will automatically replace the face of the model in the photo. With Remini Great Blending, it looks so real and clear. In addition, you can use Remini to create a beautiful image for your Facebook profile or other businesses. The features of Remini is AI photos, AI avatars, photo enhancer, AI filters. In image, you can generate with Remini for women. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.